this is the second Lunarly unboxing video that I'm going to be doing. If you haven't seen the first one, please check in the description box and also the note cards to see the first one. That was a candle version of Lunarly, and this one is supposed to be a plant version, and it's the one that I'm most excited to actually open up. I'm kind of having a bad day today, so I'm hoping that this will maybe fix that. We shall see. So let's open this up. Okay, so I'm super excited to see what plant this is. If it will come out. Okay, so it's the plants and box. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. I love it. I have no idea what plant it is either, so that is super exciting. That's exactly what I was hoping for, is that I would get a plant that I've never bought before, that I could really enjoy. So I am actually super excited about this. Okay, so let's open the main box. It's a little dirty from the plant. The flower moon basically begs you to take a moment to smell the roses, enjoy the sweet smell of spring, and bask in the glory of Mother Nature's lushness. Remind yourself of the beauty of rebirth, growth, and life. An intention to inspire. Take a moment to consider your personal growth as you experience the growth of nature around you. This moon reminds us to take notice in the beauty of the little things, both internal and natural. So that's super cool. We have a seed paper bookmark. These bookmarks are a reminder of the opportunities yet to bloom under the flower moon. Use them to hold your place in your latest read, and then plant them to grow a variety of wildflowers, including daisy, lavender, corn poppy, wild chamomile, violet, rudbeckia, and carnations. That's super cute. And I read a lot, so that'll be great. That's awesome. Classically designed pruning shears for the plants. That's super cool. A repotting toolkit. So these cute little tools. Oh my gosh, that's freaking adorable. So there's like a spade and a little shovel on that for repotting, and then a brush. So a gardener is only as good as their tools. The easy to grip wooden handles on these specifically designed tools make everything a breeze, from pulling weeds to digging holes. And to be honest, I replanted and repotted all my plants this last weekend, and this would have been awesome to have. So we've got those. The crystal this month, I got Fluorite. Fluorite can help you navigate burnout energy by restoring vibrational balance and mental clarity. Ooh, this is super pretty. Wow, that's super cool. So known for an ability to transform negative energy into positive energy, hold onto luminescent fluorite during meditation and periods of decision-making fatigue, or place it on your desk and let its radiating energy work its magic as you clear out your inbox and your mind. I need you, like, desperately in my life. So that's awesome. That will be super helpful. Very cool. And it's a pretty decent rock, so that's awesome. Okay, so this must be the bottom for the pot. That's everything that was in the box. And the plant is a lemon button fern. Lemon button fern. Super cute. And it's supposed to come with a cute pot. So let's check that out. Ever so gently. So figure out how to open this up. Okay, and then it just opens up just like that, and pull out all of the packing material. Make a mess, but that's okay. And there we go. Cute little Cute little lemon button fern. Awesome. So that is it. We have the Flower Moon Lunarly unboxing. I honestly, final thoughts on this box, I am way more pleased with the plant box than the candle. Not to say that the candle box wasn't cool, it was, but I wanted plants. So now that I have plants and I have a couple plant tools, I'm super excited. I definitely feel like this was meant for me. I've been kind of struggling this last week. So I'm super excited to actually set my intentions for this moon cycle and really focus on mental clarity and just kind of decompressing a little bit, because I think we all need that a little bit right now. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Please do kindness today. Please do something kind for somebody else. I think that we could all really use that right now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.